my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam, and I would love to have you guys subscribe and join the family. So today I thought I would just do a little try-on slash review slash unboxing of these new Eyebuydirect glasses that I purchased recently. They literally came in the mail yesterday, so I'm really excited about them. I have been wanting to order from them for a really long time, but I just was a little skeptical because I was nervous if they were going to be good quality, if the prescription was actually going to be right, or if it was going to be a little off. So I'm really excited. So they came in this cute little box right here, and it just says Eyebuydirect, and you open it up and it comes in here. I didn't get a case for them. You do have to buy a case separately. I think it's like $3, but I thought it just came with them. And it comes in this really cute little pouch, and when I opened mine up, these are what it kind of looks like. I got this really popular style. It's called St. Michael, and I did get the gold color, and I also got the biggest size, so I think that's a large. And I will just try them on for you guys because I'm sure that's the most important and exciting part. So these lenses, I did get my prescription in, and if you don't know your prescription, then you kind of can't put them in, you know. I guess you could buy just the frames and then get your prescription done at your doctor's, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks really cute. I like a bigger frame because I do have a bigger face, and if you guys can see a little blue reflection, that's just because I did get the blue light filter on them, so it's supposed to protect your eyes from, from looking at the screen too much. And yeah, I'm really excited about these. I would say that the shipping took about a week, so I ordered them about 8 days ago and they just came in yesterday, which I think is pretty quick, especially because we are in a pandemic, and I honestly thought that they would take 2 or 3 weeks, just because at the normal eye doctor it usually does take that long. So I'm really happy. The shipping was really fast, plus they put prescription in it and did the blue light, so I was really surprised and happy about that. And for the price, I did pay, it was $32 just for the lenses and to get your prescription in there, and then I also paid an extra, I think it was $9 to add the blue light, just because I do wear my glasses a lot when I'm studying and when I'm looking at my laptop and when I'm editing. So I thought it would just be really helpful for that, and I was just down to pay the extra $8 for that. Who knows if the blue light thing is a real thing, but I'm really excited and I love them. I think they look super cute. I also just want to throw in that they have a bunch of coupon codes. If you just type in on Google Eyebuydirect coupon codes, you can find a bunch, and I believe I got 30 or 40% off my order. So it normally would have been 60 and I ended up paying 47. So I think that's a really good deal for some nice quality glasses. I just love that they came really quick. I want to order a bunch more, so if you guys do want to see another Eyebuydirect try on and haul, I'll definitely do that for you guys. But let me just put them on one more time so you can see kind of what they look like. My hair is kind of all over the place, so I'm really sorry about that, but I think they look so cute. I just love that they feel really nice quality too. They don't feel like a cheap pair of glasses. They genuinely feel like a nice pair. And when you guys go to your eye doctor, you're honestly going to have to pay $50 to $100, honestly $100 to get it all done. And plus, if you wanted to add the blue light, it would also cost another $30. So I think Eyebuydirect is amazing. This video is not sponsored. They did not send this to me. I spent my own money with this and picked them out myself, so I am a consumer just like all of you guys. But yeah, if you're thinking about ordering from them, I would highly suggest it because it's super cheap, fast shipping, and you can always get amazing coupon codes. So they also do have a really good return policy, so if they come scratched or cracked, you can always return it if you don't like them. And they also do have a little, what is it called? I think it's you can try them on with your picture. So you basically upload a picture of yourself, if you just take a picture like this, and try on all the different glasses to see what size looks good on you. and all the other stuff. They also have sunglasses, and when I was ordering from them, I think they were having like a buy one get one free option, and they also do have a 2-day shipping delivery option for you guys. I know this sounds really sponsored, but it's not. I just am genuinely really happy, and I think it's amazing that you're able to buy glasses and buy them for a really affordable price. Like, I don't think there's anywhere else you can shop at that has amazing glasses like these and be super cheap. And they have hundreds and hundreds of styles. Like, I want to buy like every single pair, and now I feel like I'm just like in this craze of wanting to buy more glasses. But yeah, I think I answered pretty much all the questions. These particular style do come in a small, medium, or large option. So if you do have a smaller face and you don't like really big glasses, then you can choose them in the small size or medium size, whichever works for you. But I just genuinely have like a bigger face, so I like a bigger frame on my own face. But yeah, if you guys have any other comments or questions about these glasses when it comes to shipping or customer service, just put them down below and I'll make sure to answer them. I think the customer service was really great too. I emailed them just to see like how long it would take due to the pandemic, and they told me like they responded really quickly. So I just think that's super awesome, and I'm really happy that I purchased these. Yeah, I guess the only thing I was a little sad about is that they didn't come with a case. I figured that they would just automatically come with a case because like I bought like sunglasses from Amazon for $10 and those came with a case. But nonetheless, they're only $3.50 extra, so if you really do need a case, just purchase those from Eyebuydirect. So I think those are my final thoughts. Overall, amazing. Totally recommend. And if you guys want amazing glasses, definitely check them out. And don't forget to use coupon codes because you're going to be saving like money for free. But yeah, I think that's all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. I had a ton of fun making it, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!